All right, welcome to CAD 101, Learning AutoCAD. This is our second assignment, which is our Advanced Draw and Modify assignment. And this is video 3 out of 5. So our third drawing, we have 2 more videos after this. All right, so I've got our file up for drawing number 3 here. I went ahead and saved it. You can see up here in the tab for the file. Got the proper name, got my name, CAD 101, Section 1, Assignment 2, Drawing 3. I've already updated my title block to show Drawing 3 at the end. So this here is the drawing we're about to do. It is a 7-inch tall by 6-inch wide block. And we basically have these rectangular cutouts kind of stepping up every inch. So 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, all the way up. 1 inch from each side. So looking at this real quick, you could probably recognize what skill set you're going to be using a lot in this. But this is essentially a offset and trim exercise here. So we're going to start by making our overall rectangular shape for what we're going to end up, essentially machining or sending to the machine shop. So for our absolute reference point, I've already clicked on line, specify first point. We're going to start this at 1, 1 this time. Our piece is 7 inches vertically, so 7 tab. Want to make sure that's at a 90 degree. Hit enter. Come over. It is 6 inches. And again, we're at 0. So 6, 0. Both are locked in. Hit enter. We are 7 inches straight down. That should be, let's try 180. Nope. Let's do 90. There we go. And then close our shape off. 6 inches, 180 degrees. We are good. So now we're going to go ahead and offset through to start making those rectangular cutouts in the middle. So we're going to click on the bottom. We're going to go 1 inch up. 1, enter. Click on that new line, 1, enter. All the way up a couple of times, or a total of 6 times. That's 4, that's 5, that's 6. Now we're going to come in from each side 1 inch. And from this side 1 inch. Go ahead and hit our trim tool. We don't need any of these lines on the edge. The lines on the bottom, the lines on this edge. Here, we want to leave this rectangle, so we do the lines in between. We leave this rectangle, and there we go. That is our front view. So now we're going to extend, going straight up. So extend, we want our edges. We're going to go ahead and do these lines for the edge of our rectangular cutouts. We're good there. Now we're going to offset through the top of our front face. And we're going to want to come kind of right in here. So if the top's at 1.5 inches, we'll actually just do like 1 here. Offset again, straight up 0.5. That's the thickness of our board. And then we're going to again, trim to kind of clean this up. So get rid of the lines in between and the lines up above. And there you go. There's our top view. Oh, we also need to trim those lines from when we extended. So since I hit escape, I was out of that function. There we go. Now we're going to extend the other direction to get our right side view. Escape a couple times. We're going to offset through from our edge. Come over here. Let's do it 2 inches. Offset one more time, 1/2 inch. And then we will go to trim. Clean up all the lines in between the two, all the lines to the right of our side view. Those extra lines that got put in when we did extend, escape out. And there we go. There's our side view. So our top view, everything is lined up. Our side view, we got our top of the whole shape, top of that pocket, bottom of the pocket, top of the next, bottom, top, bottom, bottom of the whole shape. There we go. That is drawing number 3. Going to hit save. And then at that point, we can export and start working on sketch number 4. And that was video number 3 out of 5 for this assignment. So as with the previous videos, go ahead and click on the link on the left to get to the next video. So drawing number 4. And if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe, drop me a comment, let me know what you thought. And I will see you in the next video.